Hi guys, this is Rara Coco. Quick update with regards to ticker symbol AMC. What are you going to do when the mother of all squeezes happens on AMC? What would you do? If the price action for AMC is volatile or violently. So if it goes to 1,000, 2,000 right away, and then goes back to 500, and then goes back again to 1,500, to 2,000, to 10,000, to 15,000 a share, what would you do? Are you prepared to hold? Are you prepared to hold so that the price of AMC will go up as high as it can be? Are you? Because this is what happened last time it squeezed. Now there is a mini squeeze that happened on this area right here. So that one right there, if you look at it, let me show you on this area. Okay. This is AMC. But on this area right here, bear with me. View it in full screen. All right, let's do this again. Pay attention. Please take a look at this, right? Okay, on this area right here, you see that's 152.83 million, right? That's what the shares on loan, that's what is borrowed. Okay. Now, when this is like April 19th, this is the pre-squeeze. So at this time, um, the price of AMC was about $10 and under. $10 and under. Now, take a look at this. 152, right? 152, that's April 19, and then April 19 to June 7, right? There's a big, massive things that happened on AMC. It went up to close to $73, right? $73. So from 152 to this much, that's 15 million. So 15 million plus that. So almost $68 million was returned. Do you agree? Okay. At this area, $63 million was returned, and price of AMC from less than $10 to $72. And let me show you that. Let me show you that right here. Here you go, $72.62. So it shows you that when the short sellers return massive amount of shares, price of a stock goes up. That is a proof, right? Now, there is a massive problem right now for short sellers because that was 152, return about 68 million, becomes 82. Guess what is shares on loan right now? That was 152, right? Guess what is the shares on loan right now? Okay. So this chart is showing only, I think, up to June 1st. So this is June 13th, right here. It's showing June 13th. What does that show you? 186.45 million. It went up again at all-time high, right? It shows you this graph when price of AMC, when this graph goes down, there's a return of shares, price of AMC goes up. That's 186.45 million. But realistically, what is it right now? Right now, it's 195.76 million. And today is June 17th. It's a Saturday. June 17th, it's a Saturday. 195.76 million. Now, why is the reckoning is about to happen? Why there's a Whipple effect? You know that SEC also charged one of the company, right? One of the company was charged for, what did they get charged for? SEC charge short sellers with the fine, right? Okay, so this is SEC charges asset management with short selling violation. So they charged them with a violation, and I think paid about, if you look at right here, Wise Asset Management has agreed to that to disgorge profits of 6.5 million, to pay interest 190,000 and penalty 200,000 without admitting or denying the findings in the SEC order. All right, so they agreed that. So guess what? That's just a slap in the hand, right? But something happened. SEC is showing a little bit of something just to show they're doing their job. But I think they are not doing their job. I think this is just a propaganda. I think this is just to show people, hey, we are aware we're doing something. It's like a show off or saying, hey, we're doing our job. But this is just a slap in the hand. This is, I think this is just for the show. Okay, that's what I think. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. The other one is there is these three companies, okay? Three companies that are closing, hedge fund that are closing, right? The hedge funds that are closing is one of them is, I think, Tiger Management. Tiger. Okay. So here are the hedge funds that are closing, right? The first one is Tiger Legatus. The second one is ADG Capital, and then Three Arrows Capital, right? These companies, two of them already closed and one is about to close. Okay, these are all hedge funds. These are heavy hitters hedge fund that are closing. Okay, so if they are closing with this amount of shares on loan, all right, we know there is more of these. With this amount of shares on loan, we know that 116 in the books right now is shorted, borrowed, never returned. Cost of borrow is 14.91. It's going up, right? And all this information right here is falling in line with the reckoning that AMC, mother of all squeezes, is getting near and very close. Of course, we're not going to set up a date and time, right? We're not going to set up a date and time. It's very, very close. The questions now is, are you going to hold? Or once it reaches 200, 300, 500, you will sell. Now, just FYI, if a lot of you sells at that price range, right? If a lot of you sells at that price range, then AMC will not go up over 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. But if we hold tight and make these hedge funds, short sellers, pay for the sufferings and abuse that they've done to us, we've been holding for so long. Retail apes are tough. They've been holding for so long. We are holding for so long of so much shares of AMC, and we are not selling. That's how tough apes are. That's how tough we are. That's why short sellers, market makers, and hedge funds are pissed off with that kind of mentality and that kind of approach. But because of that approach, what did that happen? Now they borrowed 195.76 million. Now they shorted 1.16.98 million. What does that tell you? That's just on the books. There's also naked shares. There's also synthetic shares. There's also phantom shares. This one tells you that AMC has been abused. AMC has been massacred by the short sellers, market makers, and hedge funds. They are, but because of that, they are also losing money, lots of money every day, because they are paying interest to borrow the stocks. We are not paying interest when we're holding the stock. And they don't want us to hold, they want us to sell. And we are not selling until we name our price. So if our price is over 1,000, over 2,000, over 100,000, if that is the price, in order to reach those price, the retail must hold. And if they're not holding, then the squeeze is not as high as it can be. But a lot of these apes are upset with this retail market and they want them bankrupt. I'm one of them. Okay, if they are abusing this stock into bankruptcy, okay, I want the same thing that they want. I'm the same thing. I'm not gonna be hypocrite. I'm the same thing. I want that to whoever that is shorting or wanted AMC bankrupt. I want them also to get bankrupt on the other side. Why not? It's because if we don't get bankrupt, they're gonna do it at another company and another company and another company. There will be some ripple effect. Now, if they shut down their company, then there you go. That will be a chance of a lifetime that we've been waiting for. You know, the thesis of AMC is working, and it's happening, and it's about to explode. The question is, are you ready? And when it happens, what are you going to do? What is your conviction? No matter what that is, right is right, wrong is wrong. Whatever that is that you think is right, make a decision based on what's good for you and what is good for your family. Do not listen to YouTubers like me. Do not listen to everybody else. Do what you need to do, what is best for you and your family. Do what is right. If you reach the satisfaction that we reach price-wise on AMC, I will be the first person to be very happy for you and wish you well. My name is Rara Coco. This is your quick update with regards to ticker symbol AMC. Thank you very much. May you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health. With you all, take care and have a blessed morning.